Hello friends, welcome to our channel Telugu Trade. Today we are going to discuss on auto sector. I'm going to give you a technical analysis how the structure is looking in auto sector. As you are seeing from the last 1 month, auto stocks are going up, and with the high chances of that lockdown is getting lifted, there are many stocks that are about to outperform the market in the current scenario. This is auto sector index composition. So if you see, these are the stocks which compose the auto sector. This is their last closing price as on last Friday and the percentage change and what is the market capitalization. So I have here also kept the Nifty auto returns. If you see Nifty YTD return, it is minus 24.61% and 1 week return is 6.3%. This 1 week 6.3% is also indicating that the sector is about to perform. And if you see last 1 month return is 12.2%. But if you see the last 1, 2 and 3 years return, it is not that much encouraging. If you see the Nifty auto index on a daily charts, it is even facing a resistance at 61348.5 Fibonacci level. So guys, as I told you earlier, once it crosses this 0.5 Fibonacci level, it is going to give you an 400 and almost 1100 points up move. If you see the daily RSI also, it is indicating a positive momentum. It is at 65 level, and if it crosses 70, it should be a healthy run. If you see the ADX also, it is trading at 33 and it is rising, and the negative DMI or negative ADX is falling, and the ADX, the strength is increasing, which is a good sign. And the strength and the positive DMI at 33 is a very good sign. It's a long entry. As we have seen the sector, now what are the stocks? What are the stocks to bet in this auto sector? I have analyzed myself and found some of the few interesting and some of the stocks which has a beautiful setup in the auto sector. So Bajaj, Maruti, Hero Motor, Motherson Sumi, Ashok Leyland, Mahindra and Mahindra and Bosch. These are the few sectors, few stocks in this sector which are giving a healthy run in the last few days. Almost all the stocks have participated in the rally in the last 1.5 months, other than Ashok Leyland. But Ashok Leyland, I'm thinking, once this stock crosses 46.35 on a daily level, it is going to give you some good returns. So here I have mentioned the Fibonacci level of the following stocks. Okay, you see these are the resistance the stock is facing on a daily level, you can say. So once Bajaj crosses this R1, it will have a next resistance at R2 followed by R3. Similarly, Bajaj Auto has a support at S1 support at 2623 followed by S2 support followed by S3 support. So if someone asks me when should they exit this stock, I'll clearly tell, if the stock falls below 50-day simple moving average, you should exit the stock to safeguard your capital. Okay, once this stock also crosses 100-day moving average, simple moving average, it will give you a beautiful run. So if you see yesterday, Motherson Sumi has, from support, has it has broken the temporary resistance, and it is trading around 94.95. So similarly, Mahindra and Mahindra is also having a beautiful setup, beautiful run. Bosch also have given a lot of return in the last 1 week. Hero has given a lot of return in the last 1 week, 10 days. Maruti Suzuki has given a lot of return in the last 10 days, 15 days. Bajaj Auto has given you a lot of returns. Okay. Many people are thinking, that auto sector is suffering. It will take a lot of time. But guys, just remember, if you find a setup, you can enter into the stock. You can make beautiful amount of money like 5%, 10%, 15% or 20% in that particular setup. Only thing is you have to believe on this setup. You have to identify whether the stock is trading around 10-day, 20-day, 50-day moving average. If you see, or the stock is trading about these particular moving averages, and it has a lot of momentum, and RSI is also indicating a good strength, I will suggest you to go and buy. These are the beautiful stocks which I have analyzed in this particular sector. Thank you everyone. If you like my analysis, please try to like the video and subscribe to the channel.